How to add a shipping address on SHEIN. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your SHEIN app or simply open SHEIN on Google Chrome. Then log into your account. Click on Me, which is located on bottom right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings, located on top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Settings, simply click on Address Book, which is the first option above Change Currency. Click on Address Book, then click on Add a Shipping Address. You can add all this, fill up your phone number, city, and then simply click on Save. And that's how you add shipping address in SHEIN. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.